Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to perform printhead cleaning on Canon G3010 series printers and MFPs. If you have blank dot printing or blur printing or missing dots printing, you have to clean your printhead. Also, this way I'm going to show you you can add ink to your system. Let me show you that there is no ink here. You can see there is no ink in the system. Now press this button, and with the plus button press it until you see number 10. Then press the copy button. The printer starts filling ink in the system. You can see, great. Now we are waiting for the process to finish. And now, after 10 minutes of waiting, we are in a ready state. Now we have to print the nozzle check pattern. How to print it? With this service button. Click it and then click the copy button. And look, we are perfect. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like. Thank you very much and good luck.